cute. Damaged hair is not. With the Amino bonding complex from Palmer's, I can target my breakage, splits, and dryness. It dives deep with natural multi-action bonding technology to repair the severely damaged hair bonds. Ooh, look at that glow. For stronger, shinier hair, because you know I'm not giving up my hot tool. We all deserve hair this fabulous. Repair the wear, girl, with Palmer's Amino Bonding.